Hey guys, welcome back to MrYouWho, and here again. Great to have you back with us for our review of the Soundcore A40 earbuds. You see, around a year ago, we did a review of these earbuds and we found it to be exceptional. The reason being is they had great battery life of 10 hours, 50 hours in the case, double diaphragm, excellent noise cancellation, up to 98% moved, and they were so comfortable. As you can see, they're in my ears here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go and jump back and review these earbuds again, kind of talk about our experience in the last 12 months, kind of how we felt they've gone, and whether we recommend them. But what I'm going to start by doing is jumping in and doing a quick unboxing so you can see how these look. We're going to test them and pop back and we'll talk a bit more about what we think about the last year. Let's go and jump in and do that now. And make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also check below for links to purchase the products as well. Anything you purchase continues to support MrYouWho. Anyway, let's jump into it now at MrYouWho.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see.
Come into case. Now, doesn't that look lovely? Now, straight away, you can feel how light these are. They feel really light. Now, apparently, the earbuds are about 4.9 grams each, which are basically nothing. So there's the case there. Look at that, isn't that nice? Now, you can see it's partly charged already. You get 50 hours battery life with them in a case, and you get 10 hours with the earbuds, which is excellent. So there they are there. Let's go a bit closer and have a look. Now, don't they look absolutely fantastic? So let's go and take them out one by one. Now, there's the first one. There's the second one. Now, again, they feel great quality as well. Let's put that to the side. I'll bring it a bit closer. So there's the earbuds there. I'll just take off the labels quickly so we can have a look, a bit more detail about them. So there they are. Now, they've got a very good ergonomic design, which you can see. Now, when we're going to try them later, they do fit really, really well in the ears. Now, these also use 6 mics for calls. So when you're actually doing calls, the 6 mics help get the best sound quality, even if you're in busy environments and even with wind noise. I do use Bluetooth 5.2. I did text connectivity, and it's very, very good as you can go long distances without it dropping out. Now, also, it does, as I said, the adaptive noise cancelling technology, which we're going to go through shortly, apparently up to 98% noise reduction, which I can't wait to try out. So there's the case again. So you got left, right, you put them into. So again, there's the left and there's the right. Pops in nice and simply, close them. It does come with wireless charging as well that you can use, which is excellent. And they also have high-res wireless audio, LDAC, and Hear ID, which is a special type of high-resolution voice technology, which again we'll test. So how good is the sound in the Soundcore Space A40? We have to admit the sound is absolutely incredible, particularly for the price point. These sound a lot better than Apple EarPods. And the reason being is they've got such a great soundstage to them. So I listen to a lot of house music, London house music, and the sound is absolutely exceptional. The beats go in, you can hear it going up and going down. It really takes you with the music, and it's kind of an immersive sound experience. I found when I put the app on as well, it was really, really good as well. I think maybe it's because the LDAC sound really improved it, but compared to a lot of other earbuds, these are exceptional. That was across pop, you know, this is some classic music as well. As I said, I love London house music as well, and the music was fantastic, and it really felt like you're in there. Now, these don't have too strong bass, although you can up it with the bass increase function in there. I don't like a lot of bass, to be honest. I like to have a more balanced sound. But that said, again, you can change the bass if you want to. The music's really good. As you can see now, I was listening to these earbuds at the gym, and I couldn't hear any noise around me. The gym was pumping out the music above me, and all I could hear was these. And I love to do a good gym workout to some good music. So they sounded really, really good. The noise cancelling is fantastic with them as well. And we have to say this is probably one among the best noise cancelling of earbuds we've actually reviewed. You see, the noise cancelling works exceptional. They say it reduced up to 98% of the outside noise. And I have to say that really does work. It also put on the adaptive noise cancelling as well, which means it adapts to the noise around you. So basically, if you go from a train to talking to someone, it can adapt the noise effectively as well. It really is fantastic.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out.
Now, so how easy are the Space A40 to actually connect when you first open the box? Well, they're really, really straightforward. Literally, I just pulled them out of the case like this, and they connect automatically. It takes a couple of seconds. They're really, really good features. And as you can see there with them, we're going to go to the microphones shortly, but there's the microphones. Now, all the controls are done through the touching of the earbuds. So if I put them in my ears now, I come a bit close to you guys. So if I put it there, put that one in there, and put that one in here as well. So essentially, you control the music through pressing the earbuds. So if you hold these down for 2 seconds, it will actually activate the noise cancelling. It will actually activate the transparent mode as well. You can change tracks by pressing it or holding it down. You can use it to answer calls as well. It works really, really, really well. So that's how you control it. Now you can go through the app if you want to go and control the different settings. So if you want to change how they actually work, but I think the pre-settings work really, really well. The ability just to be able to change them, and they're very, very responsive as well. Now I actually did lay in bed with these when I was using them, and it didn't actually change the songs or change the music, which is good. So Soundcore Space A40 really are fantastic. You see, these earbuds are under $100, and for that price, you're getting a whack load of features. I mean, really, to start with, the music's fantastic. It's got a very, very well-balanced soundstage. The music's fantastic, and it sounds really, really clear. Then it goes on then to the ANC. The ANC does work well. They say cuts out 98% of the noise. I think it really does. It's excellent. I also like the wind noise function. It cuts out the wind noise as well when you're listening to them. The microphone's great to use on calls. Sounds really good. The app's very, very easy to use. The comfort of them as well. See how they sit in the ears? They really are comfortable. They don't move, and they really do block out the outside noise. Now, you saw use them for exercising, running around. They didn't move. Sounded really good. And they're really, really excellent pair of earbuds. I really recommend them. The great thing as well is 10 hours in the earbuds, about 8 hours with the ANC switched on. 40 hours in the case means you can get 5 times charging out of these earbuds. Really is excellent. I also love the features, how you can go and use the earbuds to change songs, to change music. It's excellent. So Soundcore, you've really knocked it out of the water with these. So there you go, guys. They're a fantastic pair of earbuds, the Soundcore A40. As you can see, I use them out and about in different areas, at the gym, out and about, and they worked really, really well. Very, very comfortable. You can wear them for long periods of time. The sound is exceptional, and the noise cancelling is very, very good as well. I've been using these for a year now. The battery life hasn't changed. They charge very, very quickly, and they really are part of my arsenal to go forward. So, I hope you enjoyed watching the review today. Check out the original video as well in links as well. But also, if you wish to purchase these, again, any purchase you make, support the channel. Really appreciate having you here. And make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. And thanks for joining us here at MrYouWho.